Microsoft Designer is an AI-based design tool that allows you to generate out designs by using AI and also lets you modify out each and every elements that has been generated, or you can create a design from scratch as well. So to access Microsoft Designer, you need to go around onto designer.microsoft.com in the browser of your choice. So once you do that, you get to the home page right here. And then what you can do is click on Get Started for free. Once you do that, it says sign up or sign in using a Microsoft account right here. So you need to go around and click around over here. So once you do that, you can see that you can go around and pick your Microsoft account. So in my case, I got this Microsoft account right here. And then you can go around and type in your email, type in your password for your Microsoft account right here. So let's just go around and add that in and then click on sign in over here, just like this. Once you do that, what happens is that you have signed into Microsoft Designer, just like this. So once you go around over here and sign in, you can see that you now have access to Microsoft Designer right here, and you can start using it. And that is how you can access and sign into Microsoft Designer. And in this tutorial series, we're going to see on how we can use different features of Microsoft Designer to edit out generated designs or edit out designs from scratch. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe